Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 2nd of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Scorpio, your channel message is 7 of Pentacles reverse, Taurus. Okay, so usually 7 of Pentacles reverse means that money is on hold. You're awaiting money for a very long time. It's not that you don't have clients. You already produced the work. You're just being like, where the money at? Where my money at? Close up the brand and the gun, rose up, Scott hard. All you wanna know is where my money at? Right? Then she go to the pastor and he told her there will be a new chapter. But she feels no different after. And then she asked him, Rev, where my money at? Where my money at, Rev? Where my money at, Rev? Listen to me. Right now, listen. Rev, right now, my patience is running out, Rev. Because right now, it's going to be revelations up in this mother. If I don't get my money, that's the first thing. The second thing is 7 of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody owe you money. I don't usually read reverse cards because, you know, it's a deck. It can go up this way or this way, like easily. So I don't take it into consideration. Nevertheless, I want to say reverse when I said that. But also, I want to ask the city of Toronto. I want to ask 311. I want to ask the liberals. Trudeau, when you go, you need to lower cannabis prices, Trudeau. I feel like $1.50 a gram seems sufficient. You know how much cannabis them waste last year and threw away? Jesus Christ. Jesus, them waste how much cannabis last year because what them claims it expire. Now, of course, plants can mold, right? Now I know so true the name spell, but I'm gonna say the true dough. I just gonna say it's true dough. Them copyrighting your name, but not copyrighting the letters of your name, true dough. When are you gonna make cannabis more affordable? You want the cannabis to be more affordable? No problem. Get a job and then you can afford cannabis. Stop saying that! I'm blacklisted before I came here. You know I can't work, okay? So that's another thing too. So maybe you work in the cannabis industry, but I'm hearing you need to get paid. Or something about why haven't you got paid yet? Weren't you supposed to be working as a getting something with cannabis? Maybe you grow cannabis. I don't know if you have a license, if you want to sell or I'm getting somebody to open one new cannabis place. They want you to work for them, okay? This could be Trudeau. I don't know if Trudeau is asking you to work for him. Either way, Trudeau. They are marketing you as Arabic gum hemp papers. So I would believe Free Palestine would be a fair statement. It says it so on this. It says Arabic hemp. You see? The people's choice, apparently. Anyways, so I don't know what Trudeau is in, I don't know what you in, all I know, Scorpio, you're the opposite of Taurus anyways. You're getting a bad reaction to something, or something is going in the opposite. You're not supposed to go that way. What happened? We don't fucking know what happened. That's what we're trying to figure it out. Let's go ahead and go into your reading though. So we are doing your family tree. Family. L'arbre de family. You see it? L'arbre de family. We're doing a family tree, okay? Let's go. Hold on. And before the walk and talk about, say how this girl is so vulgar, she's homeless, she's broke. That's how broke people look. You're broke. Broke people do it. When are you gonna get your life together? You want me to get my life together? No problem. Give me equal opportunity and let me face non-discriminative people. Stop saying that! We have to be discriminative. We're Canada, okay? So on the walk-in talking about what body counts, on the walk-in talking about who did what, where, do, when. I'm bilingual. How much language you speak? So this is true. My body count may not be something my father is proud of. And I feel like life should have been more successful in my mother's eyes. She wants to retire on a beach in Miami. Oh well, right? But at the same time, before you come here and talk things about me, I'm bilingual. How much language you speak? Bon. Tu dois pense avant tu parles. Parce que tu vois une vache. You look like a vache. Tu comme ça une vache? Oui? C'est une vache. C'est quoi ça? Le lapin? Non? Ok. C'est the other one? Oh my God. It's been a while. Hein? Oui. Tu es un vache, tu veux le chien, tu es un chat, un poisson, l'hamster, tu es une souris, tu es un serpent, tu es le chiton, tu es le lapin-rite, oui. Tu parles beaucoup des choses avec moi, c'est quoi j'ai dû, c'est quoi j'ai fait, c'est quoi j'ai apporté, c'est quoi? Mind your business. No, mind. We speak two language. How much you speak? Okay, great. Don't answer that question. I'll give you some time to download the lingo and learn a language today. Speaking shit about bitches, you probably should speak another language. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. I'm trying to look for your spread. And you're trying to look for your spread. And your spread is not looking for me, Minas. I can't bother. Wait. I think I remembered. Okay, I think I remember. Let's see what the female side, the blessing that your female side got. Out of your family. We're doing a family tree. Hold on. I did 8 videos already. I think I memorized it. Okay, so what is the blessing on the female side of the family tree? We have the 8. I swear to God, at least 8 out of the 12 readings I do today is going to be that the blessing or the curse is drinking. I'm getting a lot of females I'm getting, even though you see the man them a drink and the female them actually have the curse of drinking. No, it's coming as a blessing though. So I don't know what is protecting you. Maybe you're clear sentimental, you're empathic. Maybe when you drink, you talk to yourself, you're talking to spirits. Them like to use you when you drink. See, even there's a face in the moon looking at you. I'm getting spirits like to observe it when you drink. But at the same time, I'm getting something about, I don't know what protect you. Maybe you're not going to die of liver poisoning. Be careful. Alan Watts died of liver poisoning. He drank a lot. He was such an enlightened soul, so sexy, so freaky. He was a Sagittarius. But still, even a man being that enlightened, it did not discriminate against the fact that he was a lonely person and he drank away a lot of his thoughts and his sorrows. It is depressing to be that intelligent. I think he had 2 sons though, or 3, I don't remember how much. But I'm getting drinking to protect you. Maybe make you stay home instead of going out. All right, what is the curse? The 6 of Pentacles. But me getting you a beg. So you don't have the curses, so you don't have money. The girls in your family, maybe all of them always they are rum bar. All of the girls in your family, their frequent place is not Canada Wonderland. It is not to Ripley's Aquarium, and it's definitely not to Cineplex. It is rum bar. Them love for their own rum bar, own man, and them a beg man money, or they make the man them buy shot for them. Me getting something with spirits. Now I don't know if you're the type of family when you're building a house, you bless it with liquor. When a baby born, you bless it with liquor. When somebody dead, you throw liquor in the hole. Well, apparently, liquor get thrown in your hole right now because I'm getting no money. I'm getting like bar work. Who we doing? Think we're doing Scorpio. Yeah, I'm getting bar work, I saw. Yeah, 7 of Pentacles, Taurus reverse. So I don't know if somebody's saying they're going to pay you, be a taste tester, wine tester. You're not making a lot of money. Now, Tauruses are usually very, very good cooks. They know their way around the kitchen. Usually Taurus make good taste testers. You know, the people them who come in and see if your place okay and pass it, like A or B or C. Tauruses usually make good that too. Chefs. Pastry, oh my god, that's a Taurus thing, okay? So maybe that's what it is. You could be a mixologist as well. So let's see what the blessing is for the men. The Justice card. Well, I'm getting the men look like them took a different route in life. I'm getting law. The males are more equilibriumly balanced, while the girl them a drink with them things and I beg other people. I'm getting the man them have them head on them book. Or them in a law, maybe they turn
a type of professional in society that they know society always need, like a police officer. Because your woman over here a drink. It's only a matter of time before she in a fight or either she have to call the ambulance because she drink her sorrows away. The police or law enforcement always come in that. Now this is the justice card. So it could be law documents, some type of legality, something about a Libra. Yes. But that's the strengths. The fear is a 9 of... So I'm getting something about where the men them in your family, the man them in your family. Is all of the men them in your family behind bars, all of them just weird crimes. Maybe them commit crimes like domestic violence. Everything is under the intoxication of liquor. No, I kind of want to say that the justice system is using you needing liquor against you or you not having money against you. I always feel like the government will put rum stores in the ghetto where there's no employment. Okay, so is it that we're going to rob the rum store to get the rum, or those who do get employment are going to buy, and if you buy, you probably have to share with other people. So what was the point of putting liquor stores in ghetto communities that did not employ? Like the ghetto communities don't make a good turnover to give back to the community. It's the ghetto for a reason. But why would every liquor store be at the corner of every ghetto? Nobody has money, but everybody's drinking though. Me getting the man them in your family or something about using that to the advantage. They want you to be fucked up. You are trying to get a job, bitch, you need to be drinking. The fuck you getting a job for? You broke. You in a ghetto. That's where you're going born, that's where you die. Because your ghetto people told you that if you ever leave the ghetto, you a snitch, you a rat, you a sellout if you leave the ghetto. You born here, you die here. A blood in, blood clot out just because your mother opened her fucking legs. Your mother could have gone to Las Vegas, go fuck one foreign man, and she could have had it in Las Vegas. She had it in the ghetto. And you say, I never gonna leave the ghetto, this is my home. I'm gonna die here, I'm born here. Any shit happen here, I never snitch on my friend here. Well, that's what the system set up for you. Especially the girls them in your family, they all on a drink. And just drink and then dip on your knees, right? Doing the fuck I don't know what, because God knows how you're drinking and you're going to throw up. So I'm getting something is to keep you a certain level, or to keep the girls them a certain level in the family. I'm getting the man them I use this against, you know. Everywhere you look there's a rum bar, but there's no work. There's no employment. So how we get money for buying the rum? We're supposed to thief it? Or we're supposed to go to the rich community to get work and then come back to the ghetto and buy liquor at the ghetto? How it work? But I'm getting something makes money. Maybe the man them collect money from the government, but them have the girl them fucked up with alcohol. And the girl them is so distracted, fucking up, get themselves fucked up on alcohol. Them don't know that the man them actually collecting money from the government. Maybe somebody will say you're an addict or you're an alcoholic, so the government, I don't know what is happening. But obviously somebody can speak for you because the Libra card is here. So you're too distracted with a liquor to find out what the man do to you. He might collect money from you. He might already diagnose you or something. Maybe him set up your life that way. You were supposed to be alcohol bitch on your knees. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Shake that ass for Drake. Shake that ass for me. Hands on your knees, Drake. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees, Drake. Hands on your knees. Shake that ass for Drake. No, shake that ass for me. Shake it now! Okay. So let's see what talent skills you got from your Maja. The 5 of Cups again. Maybe your mother couldn't tell you to liquor earlier. Or maybe later on in your mom's life she deal with liquor. But a liquor will be her demise. So yes, you have good kidneys, you have good livers, you have good all that. Me have white liver, call me an Indian. Remember the fuck, remember my first one. Teacher, remember, call you, I'm my first one. Right? Me getting, that's a disappointment. Your liver might be healthy, but me getting that's the doomness of the girls in the family. When you love drink, when you spend the money on liquor, when you get so fucked up with it. Maybe we'll not drink out and the man them a robber now. You go in your bag, you say, where the money missing? Oh, I buy liquor last night. No. Me getting them, the man them, me getting something about the man them is providing the liquor, or me getting the man them, I do this weird shit to these women. Them I make the woman them drink, and me don't know if, I don't know if them having sex with the woman them under the influence or them a rob them. But me getting and that's what happens to all the girls. The girl them keep a drink and get knocked out or them drunk off and then the man them take advantage of that. Them can say you were aggressive, so I had to push her off the balcony because she was drinking. They could say she was drinking, she took up a knife to attack me. They're gonna use it. You were drinking and then as they drink, so them a pretend them a drink with you, right? Yeah, drink and get nice, them a pretend say them a drink with you, or them know for them alcohol, and then they just upset you and turn on the video camera. And now they have you looking drunk and argumentative on camera, and they just bring that to the police and say, look, she's an alcoholic, she's a drunk, I've tried so much things to help her, please get her away. Or worse, him hurt you and say, look, I have the film, but what she did to me, she hit me. Yeah, but are you drunk or off? So I don't know if somebody a video you're drunk and I upload it on social media for money. But me getting them I do it to the girls them. The girls them are always recorded and them drunk out. They made a drunk a dance, drunk a vomit, drunk a do something. The one of the girl them always drunk. Them always drunk. And then them use the footage against them. And say, oh, you have an alcoholic problem. Your father don't have a cheating problem. How much kids does he have? How much kids does my dad have? How much siblings do I have and I don't fucking know? Jesus Christ. This is Bob Marley all over fucking again. Your mom, your father teach you Queen of Cups. So I'm getting your father did not teach you to take advantage of women that way. I'm getting, now, I don't know if you only take advantage of a certain type of woman, skin color woman that way, but I'm getting your father didn't teach it. Oh. I'm getting that your father did do it, your mother. Oh, your father teach you how to do it. I'm getting your first time you see this happen, your father teach you how to do something. Him teach you how to make money or how to do something with your mother. And he did it to your mother, him show you and him did teach you. And you did it with your girlfriend, your baby mother, or you did it with your sister them. What's your ancestors' message? The Three of Wands. Which is usually the messenger. Maybe somebody ask, well, if the cups is liquor, the wands would have to be smoking. So I'm getting something about the smoking. I'm getting put on the liquor and try the smoking. Or if you smoke more, you won't have time to drink because you're going to be not the fuck out sleeping with it. I'm getting something about take up the spliff or take up this and put on the drinking. Because there's something that, I don't know, I'm getting the first time you ever see it happen and you didn't know about it and you had to keep the secret because if you did tell you, you're getting so much problem. You see how him do it with your mother or you saw him do it with his Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, woman. Let me get some of these and I'm going to leave it here. Either way, this was about money. Seven of Pentacles in reverse, Taurus. So I don't know what you're doing to a Taurus. Maybe you said the Taurus was alcoholic. You say the Taurus is a drug head. She's a licensed drug head. Cancel has my name. I have my barcode and I have my number if you need to check if I have a fucking license to even sell cannabis. I don't sell cannabis, but I do have a license for it. We have debts coming out first. We have use protection. We have maybe friends, maybe more. We have mean girls. We have fake business, and we have handler. I'm gonna leave it here until next time, Scorpio. Bye.